It's so hot outside, I don't even want to turn on the stove, but we're all hungry, so let's cook something up that you don't even have to cook up. Start by cutting 100 lemons, squeeze them all into a bowl. You're going to see what these are used for in a second. Cut up some tomatoes to get our vegetables ready. I have a little machine, I'm not going to lie, I'm lazy, I just throw them in there, cut up some onion. This shit was burning my eyes, so almost told me to stick my tongue out. Shit did not work, I was still crying like a bitch. Now let's cut up some cilantro. I cut up one whole bunch, that's realistically all you need. And then throw in the ground beef. You want to get the leanest ground beef. And the vinegar was just to kill any last bacteria. Throw in all the lime juice beforehand so it starts cooking already. The citrus is going to cook the raw meat. Throw in some onions, tomato, cilantro all chopped up, some crystallized sea salt. Mix that bad boy up. Fuck, I forgot the jalapenos. Throw that bitch in there. You need those. Those are very key. And now it's done. Look at it. The meat's already cooking. Get some tostadas. Take a dip. This meal is perfect for any hot day on the lake or any lazy motherfucker sitting in the crib. Chef SUIE out.